Right, let's have a little look at this then. Decimal places and significant figures. We'll have a quick look over it. Just the examples from the book then, in this section 1.5. If we tap this in a calculator, 22 over 7. Okay, and that's the number. I don't know if that's rounded or not, but that's what it says on the calculator. If you're doing it to 2dp, well, there's a second decimal place there. So this is a 2. Because it's less than 5, we round down. So that'd be 3.14. To 1dp, let's have a look at that then. Decimal places, just as a reminder. This is the first decimal place, this is a 4. So again, 4 is less than 5, so we round down. 3dp, we look at the third decimal place as a 2. The next one along, if it's 5 or above, we round up. We round this one up to 3 then, 3.143. So it's fairly straightforward. Then to no dp, so basically we're here, aren't we? That's no decimal places. And then the next place along is a 1, so we round down to a 3. It's the nearest whole number, basically, that is. So let's have a look at these examples now. 185 over 4, and that's to 1dp. So 185 divided by 4. 46.25. So that's 46.25 to 1dp. This is a 2, but this is a 5, so we round up 46.3. Okay, 937 over 250. 937 divided by 250. Decimal, 3.748. And we're doing this to 1dp. So 3.748 to 1dp is here. This is a 4, less than 5, so we round this down to just 3.7. And then to 2dp is the digit here. The next one along is an 8, so we round up to the 4 to a 5, 3.75. So it's 3.75. There we go. This one to 2dp, here is the second decimal place. The next one along is an 8, which is bigger than or equal to 5, so we round up. This is 9, so it's 19, it gets rounded up to 20, 6.20. And the next one, this to 1dp, this is the first decimal place is here. This is a 3, so we round down, 0.0. 2dp, we're here. This is a 4, so we round down, 0.03. And 3dp is here, isn't it? This is an 8, so we round up the 4 to a 5, 0.035. So these are the different approximations of that number. Sig figs then. Right, so let's have a look at this. This is 1000 over 17 in the calculator, probably. 1000 over 17. And we'll look at significant figures now. 58.823,529,41, yeah. And that's to the 9dp. Now 6 significant figures. Basically, with significant figures, you don't count the decimal place, you count the first non-zero digit, which happens from the left. So you come along from the left, the first non-zero digit is a 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're in that position there, and we just round accordingly. So that's a 2, so we round down, and we keep this as a 5. 58.8235. 5 significant figures. Well, again, we start from the left, we'll go along 5 places from the first non-zero digit here. 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one's a 5, so we round up. 58.824. So significant figures is just you start from the left, the first non-zero digit, and count along, rather than from the decimal point, as with decimal places. So 4 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. Round down, because that's a 3, 58.82. And then 3 significant figures. Let's have a look at that one. From the left, non-zero, 1, 2, 3 is here. This is the 2, so you round down, 58.8. And that was to 3. Then to 2 significant figures would be here, wouldn't it? This is an 8, so you round the 8 up to a 9. And then to 1 significant figure, we start from the left, and this 1 significant figure is here. This is an 8, so you round the 5 up to a 6. It's in the tens column, so you've got to keep the size of the number, of course, so it's 60, isn't it? to one significant figure. 6 significant figures then with this one. Start from the first non-zero digit as you come along from the left, which is here, and count 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 1, so we round this down to leave it as a 5. 0.003829195. 2195. 5 significant figures. Here's the first significant figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5, so we round this 9 or 19 up to 20, don't we? 0.0038220. 0.0038220. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 9, so we round this 1 up to a 2. 0.03822. And then 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Here, this is a 1, so we keep it as a 2. 0.00382. And then 2 significant figures. Bop here. This is a 2, so the 8 stays as is. 0.0038. And 1 significant figure is here. That's the first significant figure. This is an 8, so this gets rounded up to a 4. 0.004. Okay, good. So that's significant figures then. A little whistle-stop tour on the examples and decimal places.